Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are talking about Lightning Cannon, how to unlock it and how to grab Lightning Cannon tokens in Pet Simulator 99. So as you can see, we unlocked first, second and third cannon. To unlock Lightning Cannon you will need 100 of these Lightning Cannon tokens. So first of all, as you can see, you can get them for around 1 million each, which we already have. We actually had a lot of luck and bought those on the market when they were extremely cheap. I don't know if this guy forgot to add some zeros to this, but I got them pretty cheap. So I got them for extremely low price. That's crazy. So yeah, let me know down in the comments what do you think, guys. Since we are very poor now, should we use these Cannon tokens to sell them, maybe double the money after that and then return 100 million to this guy? Or should we just keep it? What would you do? Let me know. Would you return the money when you double it or keep it all to yourself? And back to the video. So you will need 100 million to get 100 of those if you are buying them from the trading plaza. The other way to get them is from exclusive shop. You can buy them over here and you can also get nuclear cannon token through this pack. And the third way of getting those is actually through opening these Hellfire gifts. You will be able to get a lot of different stuff from these gifts, but one of those is also Lightning Cannon tokens, as you saw now. So those are all the ways that you can grab those tokens, guys. You can get more of those from one pack, but it's very rare. I already opened maybe 5 or 6 of these and I never got none of those Lightning Cannon tokens. So I wish you good luck with opening those packs. They are pretty rare to get. As you can see over here, you will get 20 of these packs as soon as you unlock 100% of your base. But with these 3 cannons unlocked, we only have 78.5% completed, which means we probably need Lightning Cannon to complete the whole event and get this reward. So we will see if we are gonna use these tokens that we purchased to unlock it and get 20 of those gifts. It will definitely be less money to get those gifts. And if you're interested on how to get a lot of these Hellfire gifts, check out my first video on this update, which is about how to get those. And over there I will show you the other ways that you can get those gifts without completing the whole base for this reward. I will probably resell the tokens, make some more money out of it, and then wait for the prices to go down and maybe purchase them when I'm rich. So that's all from me for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know, did you have luck with getting some Lightning Cannon tokens through this Hellfire gifts, and how much time did you need to grab all of those? Hope you have a great day and I will see you in the next one.